Answering MCAT questions in under 60 seconds. Which of the following sequences is most likely to represent a codon that can be recognized by a tRNA during translation in human cells? And A says it's ATT, B is TUG, C is AUG, and then D is AG, and this symbol I am not sure how to pronounce, right? But it's definitely not one that represents a nucleotide we think about being incorporated into a nucleotide sequence, right? A DNA RNA. So immediately on that note, we can probably rule this out because remember, they're specifying translation in human cells, right? And so most likely this refers to some sort of nucleotide that might be modified in some way, but again, it wouldn't be occurring in human cells, right? Because there isn't really a codon that we know of that's going to be recognizing this, all right? And remember that the tRNA is a transfer RNA that is going to be binding amino acids and then using an anti-codon that's part of the tRNA structure to recognize a codon in the mRNA that's transcribed, and that will then basically incorporate that amino acid it's carrying into the growing protein strand, right? But then we have the A, B, and C, right? So amongst these, we just have to notice that A has thymine, right? It's ATT. And then also B has thymine, it's TUG. And remember that tRNA is going to be recognizing mRNA, right? And mRNA, and really any RNA, right, doesn't have thymine in it. So we can safely rule out A and B, right? That should not be present in the mRNA. And so then we're left with AUG, which I don't see any problems with. And in fact, AUG is the start codon which encodes methionine, okay? And so C here is the only one that we would expect to be recognized.